I'm going to tell you about the parts of a plant. The water and the nutrients move through the roots that you see right here up into the stem. The stem is this part right here. Repeat after me. Say roots. These are your roots. Say roots. This part right here is called the stem. Say stem. Again, the water and the nutrients move up through the roots into the stem. The stem goes all the way up. The stem of the plant holds the plant up tall and it grows towards the light. As the water and nutrients travel up the stem, they reach the leaves. Right here you see the leaves. On this plant there are 1, 2, 3 leaves. Say the word leaves. Leaves. Leaves are usually green, but they can be other colors too. At the end of the stem, if we go all the way up to the top, are flowers. Here is a flower here. Another name for the flower is the word blossom. We can call flowers blossoms as well. Say the word flower, and then say the word blossom. They mean the same thing. You can call them flowers or blossoms. In the center right here of our flower or blossom are many small tiny seeds. If you look over here, there's a picture of the seeds enlarged. Everyone say seeds. The seeds can grow into new sunflower plants. If you put these in the ground and they get all of the things they need to grow, like sun, water, air, and food, they can grow into a new plant. That's the parts of the plant: roots, stem, leaves, flower, and seeds. Thank you for listening.